My name is Frank and today on Frank About Food I will cook a chicken curry. My version is a bit of a mix between chicken madras and butter chicken. It might not be totally authentic, but it's just how I like it best. I hope you enjoy the video and please let me know what you think about it in the comments. To start my preparations, I cut 2 onions, mince a few cloves of garlic and chop some sweet peppers. To marinate the chicken, I start with a few scoops of Greek yogurt in a bowl. And now I add garam masala, coriander, cumin, paprika, salt, cloves, turmeric and tandoori masala. I mix the ingredients to make a lovely marinade. Then I cut the chicken into thumb-sized pieces and add it to the mix. Give it a good stir to make sure all chicken is marinated. The spices I use for the sauce are paprika, coriander, cloves, black pepper, garam masala, cashew nuts, salt, saffron, cardamom, tandoori masala and turmeric. I start the sauce by heating up some oil with the saffron so the intense saffron flavor gets released into the oil. I add black pepper and then the onion and garlic goes in. Keep on stirring this very well. I add a pinch of sugar so the onion caramelizes well. And to get the onion nicely browned, I also add some butter. Time to add some spice. I use sambal, an Indonesian spice based on fermented chili peppers, but you can use any spice you like. Go the sweet peppers and give it a good stir. I love the smoky flavor of black cardamom, but you can use green cardamom as well. Cut open the pots and crack the seeds. After stirring the mix well for some time, I add lots of tomatoes. Using the smaller flavorful tomatoes improves the taste of the curry, so don't use the tasteless watery ones. Chop the cilantro fine and add it to the mix. Now I'll add the spices you've seen earlier. Paprika, cumin, cloves, garam masala, turmeric, coriander and tandoori masala. And some salt. Roughly chop the cashew nuts and add them to the mix. Keep stirring the mix and then add stock and double cream. I prefer beef stock, but for chicken curry that might not be everybody's first choice. The mix is now ready to get blended to get a smoothly silky sauce. Pour the mix in a can or mixer and blend it until it's nice and smooth. Heat up the pan again, add butter and then pour the chicken in. Keep stirring the chicken while also blending the sauce. After a few minutes, when the chicken is nicely browned, pour in the sauce and keep stirring. The chicken curry sauce is ready now and it's time to start plating. Put the rice nicely on the plates, place the chicken curry gently next to it and sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro on it. Enjoy your chicken curry! Don't forget to like and subscribe, many more Frank About Food videos will come soon.